Beaver Themer. Well, it's a new add-on for Beaver Builder plugin users. Let's see how useful this add-on is for Genesis framework users. Hello everyone, I am Devinder. Now, if you use Genesis framework for all the web development and also use Beaver Builder plugin to build layouts, be it internal page layouts or the home page layouts, you can definitely put Beaver Themer in that mix. So let's see what Beaver Themer adds to your existing mix of Genesis and Beaver Builder plugin. Now here I already have a demo WordPress install setup. Let's change the WordPress theme from 2017 to Genesis sample theme. Now let's see the front end. Now this is the front end. Now let's activate Beaver Builder plugin and Beaver Themer add-on. Once you activate it, you will see a new option called Builder. Now all these, except for theme layouts, all these options are for Beaver Builder plugin. Theme layouts is the business area for Beaver Themer add-on. Now this looks blank because we have not added anything yet. So let's start. Let's click on add new. Now let's see these options. Now we are going to focus on theme layout, and you can have these kind of theme layouts for header, footer, archive, singular, 404 error page, or theme part. We'll focus this video primarily on header and footer areas. So let's start with header. So I'm just adding a unique name for easy identification, header style 1. It would be a theme layout, it would be a header. So let's add the theme layout. Now once you add it, you will have these options. Now let's first decide on where this new header layout that we've created would appear. Now if you notice here, we have like 5 posts. Let's make all the new changes just for this latest post, which is creativity is an important ingredient. So let's, in location, let's select post and then select the creativity is an important ingredient post. Now this header that we are going to create will only appear on this post. Let's click on publish. Now let's launch the page builder to design the header layout. By default, it will add a dummy header style like this, which obviously you can click through and edit. Like this is the menu module, and then this is the logo, and this is an additional utility bar. So let's click done, publish. Now let's see this post here. See, and let's see the other post. Now this was a default header from the theme, the sample theme, and this is the header that has magically appeared from Beaver Themer. Now generally using a builder for header, our main concern is the schema. Fortunately, Beaver Themer handles schema pretty well because it adds the header schema as well. See this? So if we go back to edit, you can just select here like entire site, just for posts, just for pages, entire site. If you select the entire site, all the pages, all the posts will have this header in place of this. Now let's try another one. Let's add a footer style. So footer style 1, just to, for easy identification. Now let's select the footer, add theme layout, and again let's make this make this change just for the one post so that we can easily, compare. Let's click publish. Now let's launch the page builder and see what is the default style. Now we are doing the footer, so you need to scroll down to see the footer. Now this is the footer that's been added by default. Obviously you can, click on this builder button. You can change the color of whatever you want. You can edit this text. It's a normal text editor. Okay, let's publish changes. Now here, this is the post that we targeted in the Beaver Themer add-on. Now this is the default footer. Let's refresh it. See, the new footer has appeared. And if we refresh the other post, no change has been done here because we didn't select this post. You can use other layout options to play around. For example, let's do the last one, single post. And here we will select singular add theme layout. And again, let's do it for that very post only. Okay, after we select the singular, let's select the post for which we want to create the new layout. Let's select the creativity is an important. Publish, and then we'll hit the page builder, and you will see this is the default. Now if you want, you can duplicate this and you can remove this is the new layout, or you can change the color here by removing this and selecting color. Say I want blue, and you can reduce the padding. You can change this, and you must be wondering like how these are appearing. These are appearing using these connection fields. You can click plus and you can select these: post title, post excerpts, content, post link, whatever you want to show for post content. So let's publish this. Now this was before. Let's refresh after. So within few clicks we have changed the layout of single post from this to this. Now similarly you can play around and add more theme layouts. You can add number of different styles for headers, footers, and assign them for specific areas of the theme. You can also style a archive page or a blog page. 404, you can use theme parts option. There's so much you can do in very little time. That's the power of Beaver Builder, and Beaver Themer just acts as steroids. It just makes Beaver Builder more usable. To summarize, Beaver Builder we normally use on static content, like to build page layout, one sales page or a home page layout, but Beaver Themer extends that Beaver Builder page building experience to dynamic parts of the theme like header, posts, footer, and you can also use it on custom post type content. It has integration for ACF custom fields and toolset and the custom fields that you create using other plugins like toolset or any custom post type, that whether you create it via manual code or use a plugin like custom post type UI or pods. So that's the power of Beaver Themer. Hope you like it. If you like it, please give a like to this video, and you can subscribe and let me know in the comments if you want more of such videos in the future. Thanks for watching.